Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to share Instagram posts on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Instagram on your device. Then find the post you want to share. I want to share this post on Snapchat. Once you find the post that you want to share, make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat account, ready to go before you do this. Now you just press on the three dots. Then above the post you picked out, and from this list of options you need to tap on Share. Then this will pop up, and from here you can either press on Copy to copy the link to the post, or you can directly choose Snapchat from this list of apps that pops up. And I'm just going to choose Snapchat from this list as it is much quicker. Now you'll see a list of friends pop up, and you can select the friend or multiple friends that you want to send this link to, and before you send it, you can also add a caption in this chat. When you're ready, just press on Send. Now it will take you back to Instagram, and if we go ahead to Snapchat just like this, and tap on our chats, and as you can see it has shared the post. As you can see, it will show you a thumbnail of the post, and it will give you the poster name. Anyway, of course, from here the person shared it with can go ahead and tap on it to be taken to the post in Snapchat's built-in browser. But they can just tap on Open an app at the top just like this to be taken into the app where they're logged in, and can like and comment on the post so that show you share an Instagram post on Snapchat. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.